What's up, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color. On today's episode, we are taking a deep dive into Bambulab's PLA Basic in bright green. So this is one of the refillable spools. Basically, you have these refillable spools, and this is a refill. Bamboo, though, if you are watching this, please consider changing where the sticker goes. It's really annoying, especially if you want like easy to open, filaments. Anyway, we got this opened. One of the things I do comes in this nice vacuum seal bag, everything like that. One of the things, easy to open tabs, that type of stuff. These types of things do have the RFID chip, which if you have a Bambulabs printer with AMS, it can read automatically and get those things dialed in for your machine, or at least utilize their profiles kind of thing automatically, as well as for their library, like filament library thing. So anyway, so what we do is, as you can see, beautiful green comes with this nice sticker in case you need it. I do not on this one because I have a bamboo spool already. So what we're doing is aligning that small notch there with a notch that is on the wider side of this one. There it is. So we're going to go ahead and align that like so. Make sure that it's nice and flush and not going anywhere. It does happen when a bit of an issue. So next up, we go ahead and put that on. And what you do is apply some pressure and twist down or twist around, that kind of thing, till you hear a small click. And there we go. Next up, we got to get these little tabs here out of the way. So let's go ahead and get those out. Easiest way to do that is basically pull on one side and then pull it out the other. Sometimes it doesn't always work, and you're going to need one of the, little a slicer or something like that to get the plastic out, but overall, stay pretty good. Anyway, here at Legal Automations, we always dry our filament for at least 6 hours, so I'm going to go ahead and stick the filament dryer, and I'll see you back here shortly for that benchy. So if you're new here, we always start out by printing a benchy in generic filament settings, in this case, generic PLA in Bamboo Studio. We're going to go ahead and get that sliced up, and it should take a little over an hour. We're going to send that over to the printer and get all the other test prints done. And here they are. So, we start out with that generic benchy. Looks pretty good. No real major issues. Maybe a touch on the overhangs, but again, nothing super major. Next up, the dimensional cube. This one, 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters cubed in spiral Voss mode. Looks pretty good. Temperature tower. The temp tower for this one was, I think the best spike was, I would say 195. That spike had the least amount of globbing and no real stringing on it. So that's good to see. Next up, we have the retraction test. So the retraction test performed very well. No loss of quality or any sort of stringing. Always great to see. Max volumetric speed test. No deformations at 20 millimeters per second cubed. Overall, I'd say pretty good. Next up, the overhang test. So the overhang test did fail right at 50 degrees, so just be on the lookout for that one if you're looking at working with this filament. Next up, we got the benchy, those settings dialed in and reprinted that benchy. Looks pretty good. Again, a very bright green-ish color. Anyway, over at Bambulab, you can pick this up for less than $20 or $13 if you buy in bulk. Anyway, my overall thoughts on this one: beautiful color, like the aesthetics of this, good quality. I've never really had any major issues with their filament. Overall, I'd say pretty good. Anyway, that's been Bambulab's PLA Basic in bright green. If you like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all the nice YouTube things, be kind to each other. And this has been Higgins with Legal Automations, so I hope to see you back here at the next full review. Thanks.